Welcome to another episode of Exteriors by Gary Willock. You know, it's easy to do construction work poorly. Let me say that again. It's easy to do construction work poorly, and we see so much of it done poorly. And the reason I'm bringing that up today is yesterday I have been talking for the last 2 or 3 days with a subcontractor that I am not familiar with. And I've got a feeling he's good at doing work, good at getting it done, but it is a perfect example of why we do things the way we do. I had him send some pictures. So we've been several text, emails back and forth, and I had him send some pictures to me so I could take a look at some of his work. And some of them were fairly up close. In the work, he was doing some siding work and some pretty basic siding work. And in this, there were multiple issues where the siding was going on and flashing and preparation work had not been done. Now what that means on this home is it's going to be leaking. It's going to have water getting into the framework of the house, insulation of the house. For years it will be moldy and mildewy before they realize they actually have a leak there, and it's really not going to leak fast. You just start decaying some of the wood and things until they get a major rain after some of the rotting takes place. So you're really looking at a few years down the road. Now I'm going to take you over where we're just starting to install the PVC, getting ready to install a tile deck on this. And that's what's going on down through here. Let me show you up close. So as the guys are tearing out now, you can see that we've done the prep work on replacing the decking where it was bad on this outside edge. There's some stucco work yet to be done, and that's going on. It's been too wet lately, so we pulled off the job for a day or two. Everybody's back today for the first day in a week or so. But the key elements that I see missed time and again are what these guys are working on around this pole, is getting it ready to properly flash so we don't end up with leaks in critical areas. There was already one leak on one of these posts down here that's created a major problem. Even before the pitch pan goes in that he's showing there, we're installing a flashing so the fill that goes into the pitch pan doesn't make its way down into the framework and instead stays on top. So this is an application itself. So you're looking at several steps before you can actually start installing the actual PVC. That's going to be an 80 mil PVC, and then that's going to be covered over with tile on pedestals. So there's a lot of work goes into before you can actually get started on the deck. And you see the walls, the stucco walls are opened up, so we can install the PVC up the wall and a flashing over so it could be replaced down the road. There'll be a PVC turn up under the window. There's a pan flashing that will incorporate underneath these windows and doors all the way through. Installing the PVC is just a very small part of the work, but a very important part of the work and the most visible part. But where most people go wrong, just like the gentleman that contacted me and sent the pictures, is they miss these details. We're going to show you more of this as it unfolds.